What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to quickly go over. Hold on. All right. We're going to quickly go over Gala games. We're seeing a little bit of life in the market. Gala actually didn't create a new low, but it was very close. 0.01482. We're up almost 8% on the day. Market cap 669 million, 24-hour volume 99 million. So as you can see, we came very close, but we did not break that low. And the wave 2 can retrace up to 99% of wave 1. So unless we roll over and we break it, then we can count a 1-2 off this low here, which was all the way back in April. So now I was looking on the 4-hour time frame. Now we have seen a nice push to the upside, and you can count 5 waves. Like you would, hold on a second. You would go, what would it be here? 1, yeah, off that low there. Let me zoom into the hourly quickly, just so I can have a bit better view. Yeah, so you could go just like this. Wow, Jax, get it together, bro. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. That's a 3, that's a deep 4. But it did bounce off the top of the wave 1, and then wave 5. It's a bit of a mess, but that's your 5 waves, 1, 2. So if you can break the bullish level, that's more confirmation of that playing out. As you can see, we did get rejected on the hourly in the short term, but if we come up and we break 0.01519, then you can look at this as a 1-2 in continuation. However, if we were to come down, it could be an ABC correction, or all of this is just corrective and you do create that lower low. But as of right now, we've seen a nice push. So you want to see us break 0.01519 to confirm this is a 1-2. All right, guys, I'm still looking for about 60 cents in the bull run. I know Gala, everyone's so bearish on Gala. So if you're smart and a believer, you've been buying in the 1 cent range. Because in my opinion, the project is not dead. It's not finished. It's just gone through a lot of bullshit, some FUD, and obviously some serious problems with the owners. But that's been sorted out. That happened a long time ago. So I think it's just a bit slow to start. But like, let's say you get in the 1 cent range, it goes to 20 cents. It's a easy 20x, right? So let's see if we can break that bullish level and see continuation back to the upside. You also have, let me pop open a new chart. You also have this is old. This is a very, very old trade. It played out many, many moons ago. You also have a beautiful double bottom. So if we do see that continuation, we get back above the daily EMAs, then you can come up and break that neckline. Obviously, this will take time of this double bottom, and that will give you a beautiful breakout that will take you all the way up to 0.047. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for our friend Gala. We are currently in a trade for Ethereum. If you want completely free access to my trading group, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to BITUNIX. That's it. There's no catch. Once you sign up, just send me an email. I'll send you the link. Includes my daily crypto analysis to all your favorite coins, including Gala. My trade setups, we're going to trade for Ethereum. We already hit TP1. What I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, and almost 3,000 members talking all things crypto. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.